In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening settings and hitting sound and vibration after scrolling down. Then scroll down again and access vibration and haptics section. Now you can tap on this switcher next to use vibration and haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to manage haptic feedback for each. For example, you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations, notifications, and touches. When you're ready, you can go back, scroll down, and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to enable or disable those options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!